Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here, Anderson River Park. It's a beautiful day. I'm with my buddy Chris and his 1955 Studebaker President. Gosh, this thing is badass. It's got a high performance crate 350 in it. And it's got a lot of nice custom touches, you know, as far as the suspension and the rear. I took a lot of still photos. Please check them out, plattmotors.com. It's got low miles since a complete frame off restoration, and the owner through the years has continued to maintain and upgrade this beautiful specimen. There's a couple blemishes on the body that I'll point out. I also took still pictures. A little issue right there, little issue right there. Very minor, but you know how we roll at Platt Motors. We tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I see a crack in the paint right there. There was one more blemish that he showed me. I believe it was in the front. It's got a killer color. That paint looks real good. Garage cap, the owner takes real good care of it. And this is it. It's Studebaker time. I don't see that third one, but I took still pictures of any blemishes that the vehicle has in the paint. Let's take a closer look. It's got nice bucket seats. He said they came out of an '84 Mustang. They've obviously been upholstered. It's got a beautiful carpet in there, front and rear. It's got new gauges, nice steering wheel, automatic transmission, cold air conditioning. Gets hot out here in the summertime, so it's got cold AC. This is a car show cruiser. Chris built it to be a driver, likes going to the local car shows, and people get excited because you don't see too many of these out there. I took plenty of pictures of under the hood and in the trunk. Both are pristine. Check those out at plattmotors.com. Proud member of Shasta Classics. It's a great car club around here. It's got nice wheels. Let's take a peek on this side. Just as beautiful. This car's really been preserved and put together well. It's got some tasteful upgrades. It's got plenty of power, and it's a Studebaker. Glass is good, especially that rear one. You know that's got to be hard to find. Glass is good all around. So this is it, guys. 1955 Studebaker President. This thing is beautiful, and it's the next one that's for sale. Another quality consignment. Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Feel free to call me anytime about any cars that I have for sale. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com is my website. There will be at least 50 stills on there, and if you check me out on Hemmings or ClassicCars.com, I advertise there as well, and there will be 100 photos on there in this video. And there's Pops in the background, chatting it up with Chris. Chris has loved this thing, put a lot of time, money, and energy in it, and he's ready to send it down the road. So if you like Studebakers like I do, you should give me a call. My name is Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I appreciate you looking at my videos. I look forward to talking to you soon.